Hopefully you have already learned how to use this formula that you see here, the y2 minus y1 all over x2 minus x1 for finding slope of two ordered pairs. I'm going to remind you real fast, I've got everything set up here. I've labeled all of my x values and my y values. And I'm going to take the y value of the second one, so 10, minus the y value of the first one, 3, all over the x value of the second one, which is 8, minus the x value of the first one, which is 2, and I get 7 over 6 as my slope. But you might be thinking, gosh, is there an easier way? And I am here to say yes, absolutely, as long as you know how to follow your number line. So that's what I'm going to show you in the rest of this video, is an easier way to get the same slope. So remember that 7, 6, because we're going to see these two numbers again. All right, all you have to do is know which ones are the y and which ones are the x's. And you know that the last one in each of the ordered pairs is the y. So I'm just going to go from the 3 to the 10. Now on the number line, did I get larger or smaller? Did I go up the number line or down? Well, up. And how far up? 7. Okay. Then I'm going to do the x's underneath the ordered pairs. I'm going to go from the 2 to 8. Did I get higher or lower? I went higher. I went up. How far is it from 2 to 8? 6. So I went up 6. And in this case, realize that if you go up in the number line, that's positive. If you go down, it's negative. And all you have to do is, well, there it is. The change in y is 7. The change in x is 6. There's my slope, 7, 6. Exactly the same number I just got the page before with the equation. So let's do a few of these together. Take a look at these two. I'm going to do, again, the y values first on top. I'm going to go from 11 to 8. Well, now I'm going down on the number line. And how far down to go from 11 to 8? I'm going down 3. And then on the y values, I'm going from 1 to 6. Am I going up or down? Well, I'm going up. How far? I'm going up 5. And so then I just put the change in y's. Down 3. Now down means negative. Down 3. And then up 5. And I am done. Easy? Let's see if you can try the next one on your own. I want you to pause the video right now and try to do this on your own, and then restart the video and see if you and I have the same answer. Okay, did you pause it? What'd you get? Well, here we go. I'm going to go from 15 to 10. Well, I'm going down 5. So that eventually is going to be negative 5. And then on my x values, I go from 1 to 10. Well, I'm going up 9. That's a positive 9. And so my slope is negative 5 over positive 9. Is that what you got? Now here's an interesting one. And again, if you want to pause the video for a second, try to get it on your own first. That would be a great idea. All right, I'm going to do 7 to 4, which means I went down 3. And by now, maybe you don't want to write the word down. Maybe what you want to do is just knowing that down means negative, you just put a negative 3. And then I went from 10 to 2, and again I went down. And how much did I go down? 8. So I'll go ahead and put a negative 8 instead of writing the word down. And now it's just a change in y, which is a negative 3, over the change in x was a negative 8. I have two negatives. And a negative divided by a negative is a positive. So I'm going to rewrite that so that it is positive 3/8. All right. Well, every one of these I've done so far, the numbers inside the ordered pairs have been positive. So now we're going to see what would happen if some of those numbers are negative. Do you want to try this on your own before I show you? Well, if so, stop the video right now and try it, and then restart the video. All right, here we go. I'm going to go from 7 on the number line, all the way to negative 5. Well, I'm going down, so it's going to be negative. But how far down? This is where you have to know a little bit about your number line. I'm going from 7 to 0, so there's 7 spots, and then I'm going to go 5 more to get to negative 5. So that's a total of 12 spaces we're going down. And then I'm going from -4 to -1. Do you know about your number line that if I go from -4 to -1, I'm actually going up? That's positive. How far up? 3. And so what we have here, folks, is we have a -12 over 3. This can actually be simplified because -12 divided by 3 is a -4. And that is your slope. Well, we're going to do one more with negative numbers, and then I'm going to let you go. Are you ready to try it on your own? If so, pause this video and restart it when you're done. Okay, here we go. 0 to -10. Well, I'm just going down 10. That one was easy. Now we're going from -9 to -5. Are you going up or down here? In this case, you are going up. You're getting closer to 0, so you're going up. And how far? 4. So my slope is -10 over 4. That can be simplified because both of those could be divided by a 2. And so the answer is -5 over 2. All right, well now you get to choose. Do you want to do this method or do you want to do the formula method? Whatever works best for you, go and do. Have fun.